Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Temu. Your request was declined. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, once you are in Temu, just simply tap on your profile at the middle or the U. And from here, just simply tap on the settings at the top right corner of the screen besides the headphones icon. And after that, just simply go to account security here at the top. And from here, guys, just make sure you have the updated mobile phone number and make sure you turn on the two-factor authentication and try setting it up. So now for the second option that you have, or for the second method, just simply go to your Temu application and just simply hold it. And now a pop-up will show up and just simply tap on app info. And from here, just tap on storage. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache, and that should be able to fix your issue. But if it doesn't, just simply tap on clear data over here. And after that, just tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.